Hi, welcome to a new day and a new video. And how are you doing? So today we're going to be looking out for these following 10 questions and at the same time sentences. So we've studied the word transformation from the class of verb to a noun, or the class of noun to the class of verb. And I want us to see if actually we get the gist, if actually we understood the lesson. So we're going to be attempting this 10. This 10 is equally 5, okay? Because we're going to be choosing between the noun part and the verb part, okay? So let's see number 1. Number 1, the dash is visible. Don't explain more. The dash is visible. Don't explain more. Is it differentiate or different? What's your answer? Okay, the right answer is, we read together, the different is visible. Don't explain more. The differentiate is visible. Don't explain more. So to your hearing, which do you think is right? Number 2, we have, he showed us how to dash between the fake and the original. He showed us how to dash between the fake and the original. Is it differentiate or different? So which will go for number 1 and which will go for number 2? Okay, the answer is for number 1, different. And let's fix it and see. The different is visible. Don't explain more. You can equally say the difference is visible. Don't explain more. And for number 2, he showed us how to differentiate between the fake and the original. So differentiate suits it best. He showed us how to differentiate between the fake and the original. And number 3, he worked so hard to dash his boss. He worked so hard to dash his boss. And number 4, I love the dash I'm getting from their response. I love the dash I'm getting from their response. So have you fixed yours? So the answer is, he worked so hard to impress his boss. He worked so hard to impress his boss. And number 4, I love the impression I'm getting from their response. I love the impression I'm getting from their response. Okay, so you can see that number 3 is the verb part and number 4 requires the noun part. Let's see the next one. Now number 5, when planning a business, you need to put a lot of things into dash. When planning a business, you need to put a lot of things into dash. And we have the number 6, I dash a lot of factors when buying a car. I dash a lot of factors when buying a car. So number 5, I will choose consideration, and number 6, I will choose consider. So let's fix the both. When planning a business, you need to put a lot of things into considerations. And number 6, I consider a lot of factors when buying a car. Can you see how the two fits? So it is very important you master when to use the verb form and when to use it in the noun form. Okay, let's say number 7, we need to dash our communities for development. We need to dash our communities for development. What do you think will be right to fix in the dash? Okay, we need to connection our communities for development. We need to connect to our communities for development. So you can see that connect fix it more. We need to connect. That's the action we need to perform for we to communicate with our community for development. So we need to connect to our communities for development. And number 8 will now go with the connection. So let's see if it matches. And number 8, he has the right dash, and that made it a lot easier for him. He has the right dash, and that made it a lot easier for him. So we said he has the right connection, and that made it a lot easier for him. Now, assuming we choose to use connect, let's see how the sentence is going to sound. He has the right connect, and that made it a lot easier for him. How does it sound to your hearing? I think he has the right connection, and that made it a lot easier for him sounds more better. Okay, let's see number 9 and 10. His dash was a selfish one, honestly. His dash was a selfish one, honestly. And we still have number 10. He is in the right position to dash the next step. He is in the right position to dash the next step. Should I answer this, or should I leave it for you to attempt at least? Let me see if you could attempt this and get it right. Okay, let's leave it for we to try. So tell me the answer to number 9 and the answer to number 10. All right, and this is what we have for today's video. Thank you for stopping by, and please don't forget to attempt this so I can know if actually we are making sense, if actually you guys are getting the gist, if you guys are actually understanding the lesson. Okay, and here we call it short for today's video. Don't forget to stay safe, and if you're seeing us for the first time, don't make it the last time you're going to be seeing us, you're going to be joining us. You can actually join us and be part of us by subscribing. And when you do, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because in that way you get notified whenever I post any video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by today. And please don't forget to keep taking care of yourself, and remember, you are amazing. See you soon on our next video, and bye for now.